Hi, welcome to my math friend, your favorite math education channel. Let's look at the quotient rule. The previous video we looked at the product rule. And in the product rule where we have two functions multiplying themselves, we apply the product rule. Since we can't separate them, we can't differentiate to have a single terms. Now with the quotient rule, we have two functions dividing themselves. Good. So what you do is that you let u be equal to the first function on top, 3x plus 2. And then you let v be equal to the denominator, x minus 5. So from here, you differentiate each of them. This u and x, so du dx becomes what? 3. And then you also find dv dx. This v and x, so dv dx is what? This here was 1. So the formula, you have 1 and x, that is the whole function. So it's dy dx. It's going to be v, you maintain the second function whilst differentiating the first. So v du dx plus, no, it's minus, since it's a division, you use the minus. Minus u, you maintain the first function, which is u here, whilst differentiating the denominator. So that's dv dx, all out of v squared. So here, what is v? V is x minus 5 times du dx is what? Is 3. So 3 into bracket x minus 5 minus dv dx is 1, so minus 1 times u. U is 3x plus 2 all over v squared is what? X minus 5 all squared. Good. Now here what we do? We are just left with expanding the brackets. So when we expand the bracket here, from here, we're going to have 3x, 3 times minus 5 minus 15, minus 3x, minus 2, all out of x minus 5 all squared. Grouping like terms, 3x minus 3x is 0. Minus 15 minus 2 is minus 17. All out of x minus 5 all squared. And this is the answer for this function. Good. Let's look at the second one. This versus this. The second one, you have some squares over there. The same thing. So y equals this over this is a quotient. You can find a quotient. Again, we let u be equal to the numerator. That's the first function. X squared minus 5x. And then let v2 be equal to the second function, which is what? 2x squared plus 1. Good. Now from here, you have u, you have x. So du dx is 2x minus 5. And then you have v and x. So dv dx is what? 2 times 2 is what? 4. So 4x. So our formula for dy dx, function is y and x, so dy dx is maintain v while differentiating u dx minus maintain u, then differentiate what? dv, differentiate the first function u. So that's du dx all out of v squared. Now let's substitute from here. Du dx is 2x minus 5. And v is that. So 2x minus 5 times v is what? 2x squared plus 1. Good. And minus, what is u? U is x squared minus 5x. That's u. And then dv dx is what? It's 4x. So that is it. All out of v is what? V is 2x squared plus 1. All squared. Now from here, what do we do? Let's try to expand. So expanding from here, dy dx equals, and let's expand. 2x times 2x squared is what? It's 4x. There's 1, there's 2, so 4x cubed. And 2x times 1 is what? Plus 2x. And minus 5 times 2x squared is what? Is minus 10x squared. Minus 5 times 1 is minus 5. And here you have minus 4x, minus 4x times x squared is minus 4x cubed. Then minus 4 times minus 5 is positive what? Positive 20. Positive 20x squared. All right. All right. All out of 2x plus 1 all squared. Good. So from here, you can say that, let's group like terms from the numerators. 4 is becomes 0. And minus 10x squared plus 10x squared is minus 10x squared. Good. And also, plus positive 2x. Doesn't have its like term, so plus 2x. There's a constant minus 5. So we are just grouping like terms over here. Good. And that is it for there. So all out of 2x plus 1 all squared. And that is it, the answer. Very well. So this is how to use the quotient rule. I want you to follow me for more lessons on differentiation, the calculus. If you have any question, leave in the comment section. Follow me on YouTube for the full video of this lesson.